Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. This is just another little add-on to my other video where I was explaining that I'm not going to be selling my Concord 4 or Concord Express chips on either eBay or Estes anymore. I'm just going to sell it on my website, or you can get a hold of me and just drop me a note, and then I gave you my PayPal account. And that way when you get the chip, you and I can have a one-on-one conversation, and I'll get your system up and running for you. Now, the situation I just ran into with eBay yesterday was before I took the chips off of eBay, I sold one to a gentleman out in California. He got the chip, and he immediately went to eBay and said, this chip is no good. It doesn't work on my system. Okay, so now I am totally in the dark on what he's trying to tell me, that he says the chip doesn't work. eBay, I don't know how long ago, but eBay makes it so you cannot contact that customer once it goes into a dispute. You can contact eBay, and eBay will relay that information to the buyer, but they don't let you have private conversations with that buyer. I could have probably got the guy through, and maybe when he bought that chip from me, I sent him a Concord 4. Maybe his system is a Concord Express. I would have no problem. I would immediately grab a Concord Express chip and send it out to him for free to get his system up and running. But once he said that magic word to eBay that he received something basically that doesn't work, eBay immediately turns around, sides with the customer, gave him all his money back, and then I'm out, you know, all the money for the chip. And not only that, now I got a pissed off customer at me, and that's the other reason I am not going to deal with eBay anymore. They are, I mean, you could buy anything on eBay, you get it in your possession, and then say, nah, it doesn't work, it's not the right color. eBay will immediately turn around, give you your money back, and say, yeah, just keep it. We'll screw over the freaking seller. I'm done with eBay. So that is just one scenario that was of many that was building up with me about eBay, and Estes done it to me too. They immediately side with that buyer. Of course, the customer's always right, but at least give us sellers a chance to make it right. And I could have made it right with that gentleman out in California, but nope, eBay says, nah, give him all his money back, screw over that seller, we're done. So that is just another nail in the coffin why I will not sell my chips on either of those platforms. I'll sell it just on my personal website, or you can deal with me directly. That you and I will have a one-on-one, and I will get your system running for you. You just got to give me a chance. All right. So anyways, guys, I'm done. So that was my rant. Subscribe, like, ding, ding, ding. Hit all the buttons. Thanks, guys.